In February 2024, a finance worker at a Hong Kong based company received what appears to be a video call from his chief financial officer. The CFO looks real, sounds real, even move like the real person. It wasn't, it was a deep fake. And that employee transferred $25 million to hacker before realize he had been tricked by the AI. This is not a science fiction. This is happening right now. And if you think your organization is safe from the AI powered attack, you are already behind. Welcome to the IT World Cyber Cloud. I am Sumit Kumar, and today we are diving deep into AI powered cyber attack. How hackers are using the artificial intelligence to launch the attacks that are faster, smarter, and more dangerous than anything we have seen before. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how these attacks work and more importantly, how to defend against them. Let's get started. So, what exactly is an AI powered cyber attack? At its core, it is any cyber attack that uses the artificial intelligence or machine learning to enhance the traditional hacking techniques. Think of it as a giving hackers a supercomputer brain that never sleeps, never get tired and learn from every mistake. Traditional attacks follow the patterns. They are predictable. Security tools can detect them because they have seen them before. But AI changed the game completely. AI power attack can generate unique malware that evades signature based detection, create personalization phishing emails at the scale. We are talking millions of the unique convincing the messages, automate vulnerabilities discovery faster than any humans, adapt in a real time when defense changes, and use the deepfake to bypass voice and video authentication. According to recent report, AI powered attacks increased by over 400% in the past year alone, and that number is only going. Let me break down the five most dangerous type of AI attacks that are happening right now. Number 1, AI generated phishing. Tools like the Worm GPT and Fraud GPT are being sold on the dark web specifically for the cybercrime. These are not your the grandma phishing emails with the bad grammar and obvious red flags. These are perfectly written, context aware message that are reference the real project, real co-workers and real deadlines. Look at this comparison. The old style phishing email is a full of mistake, but the AI generated version it reads like it is a come from the your actual IT department. It references a real password reset policy change. It even used the correct company logo and signature. Number 2, deepfake, social engineering. We already talked about the $25 million deepfake CEO fraud, but it gets worse. Attackers are now using the real-time deepfake video calls. They can impersonate anyone with just a few minutes of the video footage from the social media. Researchers demonstrated this at a recent security conference. They created a real-world deepfake of CEO using the nothing but LinkedIn profile photo and 30 seconds of YouTube interview footage. The quality was terrifying. Number 3, AI powered malware. Traditional malware is a static. One antivirus companies analyze it, they can detect it, but AI powered malware minutes. It changes its code to evade the detection while keeping its malicious functionality intact. Think of it like a virus that evolves faster than the vaccine can be created. Every time security tool learn to detect it, it becomes something new. Number 4. Automated vulnerability exploitation. AI can scan entire networks, identity and vulnerabilities and exploit them faster than any human team. What used to take the skilled hackers days or weeks now happens in a minute. And the number 5, AI enhanced power password cracker. Machine learning models can analyze the password patterns and predict the password with a scary accuracy. Password that would take the traditional brute force tools centuries to crack can now be the broken into hours or the days. These five attack types are not the theoretical; they are being used right now, and the case are pipeline up. Let me share some real cases that show just how serious is this. Case study 1: the Hong Kong deepfake fraud, February 2024. A multinational company's Hong Kong office received emails supposedly by from their US-based CFO. The emails were followed by a video conference call with that what appears to be the CFO and other senior executives. It was all deepfake. The employee transferred the 200 million Hong Kong dollars, about 25 million US dollar, to multiple accounts. The money was gone before anyone realized. Case study 2: the Samsung ChatGPT data leak, April 2023. Samsung engineers accidentally leaked the proprietary source code by pasting it into the ChatGPT to fix the bug and optimize the code. This is what we called shadow AI, and I will be making a full video on this topic soon. So subscribe for that. Case study 3: AI generated voice fraud. In 2023, a mother in Arizona received a call from what sounded exactly like her daughter. The daughter was crying, saying she did been kidnapped and demanding the ransom. It was an AI generated voice clone. The mother almost paid before reaching her daughter actually on the phone. Case study 4: Warm GPT malware campaign. In May 2024, security researchers discovered Worm GPT being used to create sophisticated business email compromise attack. The AI generated unique, convincing email for each target, resulting in a 35% success rate compared to just 3% for traditional phishing. Case study 5: the MGM Resort ransomware attack. While not purely AI driven, attackers use the AI enhanced social engineering to trick MGM help desk into resetting the password. The result: 10 days of shutdown, $100 million in loss. 5 incidents, 5 different industries, one common thread. AI made this attack faster, smarter, and harder to detect. Now, let's get technical. I want you to understand the machine behind this attack. Don't worry, I will keep it accessible. Most AI powered attacks follow a similar pipeline. First, reanalysis. AI scrapes social medias, companies' websites, LinkedIn, and public records to build details profile of the target. It learns relationship, communication style, ongoing projects, and organizational structure. Second, weaponization. The AI use with this intelligence to craft the personalized attacks. For phishing, IT mimics war writing style. For deepfake, it trains model on available video and audio. For malware, it generates polymorphic code. Third, delivery. AI can optimize delivery timing, channels, and approaches. It might send an email when the target is most likely to be stressed and less vigilant, like a Monday morning or Friday afternoon. Fourth, adaptation. If the first attempt fails, AI learns why and adjusts. Maybe the email tone was wrong. Maybe the timing was off. The next attempt is more convincing. This feedback loop is what makes AI attacks so dangerous. They get better with every attempt. Human attackers get tried and make mistakes. AI doesn't. So, who need to worry the most about AI power attack? High value target includes 1. C-suite executive and finance team. You saw what happened with that deepfakes CFO? Anyone with wire transfer authority is a prime target. 2. Employees with access to sensitive data. Engineers, developers, researchers, anyone with access to intellectual property. 3. Small and medium businesses. Here is the thing, SMBs often think hackers only go after a big companies. Wrong. SMB are actually more targeted because they typically have weaker security. AI makes attacking thousands of the small businesses as easy as tracking one big enterprises. Fourth, healthcare organization. Medical data is worth 10 times more than the credit cards numbers. One the dark web. AI powered attacks on healthcare have increased dramatically. Fifth, government and critical infrastructure. National state actors are heavily investing in AI attacker capabilities. But honestly, everyone is at risk. If you have an email address, a phone number, or any online presence, you are a potential target. Okay, enough doom and boom. Let's talk about how to fight back. First, implement multi-factor authentication everywhere. And I don't just mean SMS codes. Use hardware security key or authenticator apps. AI can bypass SMS based two factor authentication using SIM swapping. Hardware key are much harder to compromise. Second, AI fights AI. Deploy AI powered security tools like DarkTrack, CrowdStrike, Falcon, and Microsoft Defender use the machine learning to detect the malicious and anonymous behavior, not just known threats. Third, zero trust architecture. Never trust, always verify. Every access request must be authenticated, authorized, and encrypted, regardless of where it's come from. I am actually working on a complete zero trust tutorial video. So make sure you are subscribed. Fourth, employee training, but not the boring annual compliance training nobody pays attention to. I'm talking about realistic simulations. Send fake phishing email. Test with fake deepfake voice call. Make security awareness part of your company culture. Fifth, establish an AI use policies. If your employees are using ChatGPT, Claude, or Copilot, you need policies. What data can they put? What cannot they? How is the proprietary information protected? Sixth, monitor for shadow AI. Discover what AI tools employees are already using without your knowledge. There are tools that can help us with this. These six strategies are not optional anymore. They are the essential. Let me leave you with some prediction. By 2027, over 50% of all cyber attacks will involve AI in some form. We are already at about 35%, and that number is climbing fast. Real-time deepfake detection will become a standard security tool, just like the antivirus is today. Companies like Microsoft and Google are already developing this into their platform. The cybersecurity skill gap will widen before the narrows. We need professionals who understand both cybersecurity and AI. If you are watching this and thinking about a career in the cybersecurity, now is the time. The demand is massive and regulations will catch up. Government worldwide are drafting AI security regulations. The EU AI Act, NIST AI Risk Management Framework, compliance will be mandatory, not optional. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to IT World Cyber Cloud. I am posting the new cybersecurity content every week, from tutorials to trade analysis to career advice. Check out my Zero Trust Architecture tutorial next. It pairs perfectly with what we covered today. And comment below. Have you or your organization encountered any AI power attacks? I did love to hear your stories. Stay secure, stay informed. This is Sumit Kumar from IT World Cyber Cloud. See you in the next video.